really interesting. I noticed there was no one key on the left hand side over here. It starts only with 2. So I looked at the keys back here, at the prints for the keys, and the one happens to be the L, lowercase l. Or at least that's what I think. It looks like it when you type it in. I think that's what was represented for a 1. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what was meant to be the 1. I wonder how long it took people to realize that. Unless they already knew it. I didn't know it. That was surprising. But anyways, the 2 here is the quotation marks. Here the 2 is an at on the computer. And then the 3's got the, not the pound sign, I added the pound sign. The 3 has a pound sign here. Just like on a computer. 4's got the dollar sign. Oh! Well, I retract what I said before. You can put dollar amounts here. 5 is percent, just like in a computer. 6 is underscript, but 6 here is caret, looking upward. 7 is ampersand, which is the 7 on the computer. 8 is in the single quote. 8 on the computer is the star. 9, 0 are parentheses, as on a computer. And afterwards you have the dash and the star and 1 key on here, but here you have the dash and underscore and a plus and an equal. There's no plus or equal sign on here. There's question mark with dash, just like over here by the shift. Same over here with the shift. And the period and the dot are in the same place. The quotations are by the L, like the semicolon and colon, sorry, are by the L, which is cool. And the ampersand's over here, where the normal quotation marks are on a computer, along with the cent sign. And over here, where the other not parentheses, but the brackets and stuff, there's only 1 key over here, and it's a 1/4, 1/2 key. The letters are all in the same place pretty much. It's QWERTY, UIOP, and then ASDF, GH, JKL, and then on the bottom it's the rest of them in the same order, you see through M. So the computer pretty much, whoever created computer keyboard pretty much took this keyboard and added to it as would be necessary in a computer. Which, for instance, the 1 they added, and they took off this MR key, and they added a bunch of different keys that were symbols that you couldn't really do before on a typewriter, which is really interesting to me. You couldn't do nearly what you can do now in a Word document. So if you were to type a document back then, it would look a lot simpler than one now. Because now you can have all kinds of marks, characters and stuff, before you only had a limited amount. Well, like for instance, before you couldn't really, if you were writing a story or something, you couldn't really be excited about anything in the story because you can't use an exclamation point here. Unless there's some way that I don't see, but yeah, there's no quotation or no rotation exclamation point. That's really, really interesting to me. You know, I don't know what I would think if I was in the place of people who use typewriters and would be nostalgic, or not nostalgic, but would be used to using typewriters, and then 10 years later I would be forced to start using a computer for maybe work reasons. I don't know how I would like that.